Okay, girls, so I just got back from Sephora. So I went to the Sephora inside of Kohl's because I didn't feel like driving to the local Sephora. So I was just like, okay, well, like I went to Kohl's. They should have everything and they accept and give me my Sephora points. So I was like, all right, let's go there. So let me show you what I got. As you know, I'm not, doing the heavy hauls and all that stuff. If you didn't see my video, girl, I explained to you why I was not doing that any longer. I'm only buying what I need. So I went to the store and I went for replenishments, but I'm gonna allow myself to buy 2 or 3 things that I've been eyeing. Keyword, eyeing. So first I went to go ahead and replenish my Sol de Janeiro mist. I wear this like every day. If I go to the gym, if I go to Pilates, when we get ready to go to bed, I just spray this because it just smells so delicious. I love the way it smells. I had the smaller size. I think it might be a 3-ounce size. So because I used it so much, I ended up getting the 8 ounces, but I wear it so often, so it only made sense. And then I also grabbed the little Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream as like my little gift with my points. I like these ones because I take these on vacation. I have like 4 of these and I have like the actual big sized one. So I truly love this scent. This scent smells so freaking good, girl. If you haven't tried it, you need to go get some. Another thing that I needed from the store was like a lip moisturizing product. So I have chapstick. Jordan just steals it all. So I was like, let me get something that I know he ain't gonna steal, which is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. And I got this one in the shade or scent Vanilla. So it's just a cute little lip gloss. I'm gonna actually pop some on my lips right now. But there's that, what's that other brand? The one that they be going crazy over on TikTok. Summer Fridays. There's the Summer Fridays one and I just was like, I'm not gonna feed into it. So I got this one. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. They had other colors and I just didn't think that they showed up that much to make a difference. So I got vanilla, but they had a mango one that I was like, ooh. I also grabbed a Rare Beauty blush. So, I love my Rare Beauty. I believe it's Joy. I love that blush so much. It's a nice peachy blush, so I wanted something that was a little bit more pink. So I grabbed this shade Grace, and I was actually going back and forth between this and a Huda Beauty one. I can't remember what the name of it was, but it was a nice soft Huda Beauty blush, but it wasn't as pigmented as this. And realistically, blush fades. I wanted something that was gonna stick and show, so I knew Rare Beauty wasn't gonna scare me wrong. So I grabbed this one. I also needed to replenish my mascara. So you guys know I love the Amicole mascara. They did not have it. And I was just like, how y'all not have it? How y'all not have it? Because that was definitely on the list of things that I needed to get. So I did see on Instagram that Charlotte Tilbury came out with a new mascara. I asked the girl, was this that mascara? And she said it was. It was, but this is the Pillow Talk push-up lashes. They only have the small size, and like I said, I only seen it on Instagram. It looked cool based off of the pictures. Like, look at the girl, look at her lashes. Can you see them? Yeah, they look like they're very, very long, and she clearly didn't have a lot that she's working with before, but this is an advertisement, so this might be false. And I actually did not even look at this mascara. Oh my gosh. This looks kind of dry. This looks like, oh my, I need to see, like, is this old? Y'all, this looks like when you have already had the mascara for some time and it just kind of, cakes up on the brush. That is what this is looking like right now. And I am not liking that because I haven't even used it yet. So this just gives me, this is gonna be dry AF and I might need to go ahead and return this. I might have to return this, girl. Why would it look like that and I just opened it? That's alarming. That's very alarming. Okay, so one of the things that I did not need, girl, but I wanted was a face mist. So just throughout the day, I want to be able to just refresh my face. And my skincare is amazing. It's amazing. But when I'm wearing makeup and then just sometimes when I'm just having those really, really dry days, I wanted to just be able to just kind of, spray a moisturizing kind of product on my face, but not a setting spray. So I was walking around and I actually tried this against the Caudette. I don't know the name of it because I don't use it. But I ended up going with this one because I sprayed both of them on the back of my hands, and this one just lasted so much longer as I walked throughout the store. And so this is the Sunday Riley Pink Drink Firming and Resurfacing Essence. So this is what it looks like. It looks really cute. It's pink. And it has peptides to help with firming the look of skin, while fermented honey and botanical extracts balance the skin's natural microbiome, and resurface the skin. So, like I said, I tried this on my hand. I walked around the store. The other one, I could not feel it after 5 minutes. This one, my skin felt really soft, but it also felt very firm and like nice and hydrated. So I got this. Like I said, I will use this to just spray my face throughout the day. Also touching up after I do my makeup. This seems like this is gonna be a really cool product. So I will definitely show you guys that, a little bit more. And then last but not least, I got a powder. I love the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but obviously there's been this trend of pink powders and just all of this really nice and brightening like the pink can do, right? Well, when I saw the pink in person, I was just like, oh no, this is giving flashback times 10 because it's pink, but it's still a very, very soft pink. And for someone with darker skin, I just do not see how that could be flattering. So when I think about like color correcting and brightening, we as colored women use like peachy, orangey colored products. So I was like, I think the peach is gonna be the better color. So I grabbed this one by OneSize because OneSize is very reputable in my opinion when it comes to their powders. So I grabbed the Ultra Peach powder, and I hope you guys can see. It's peach. I am actually very excited to give this a try because I do see that the brightening effect does come from powder. However, I am tried and true. I stay loyal to my Laura Mercier, but I really wanted to just try something new with my makeup. So I will definitely show you guys when I do try this out and give you my first impressions. But that is essentially it. So I did grab a perfume. I got the Jimmy Choo I Choose You perfume, and then I got in the car, right? I sprayed it on my arm, and I was just like, ew, it stinks. So I don't know what the heck is going on in Sephora. I'm sure they spray things around the store because it smelled totally different from when I got it in the car. And I realized that I keep one of these like little cute perfumes in my glove compartment just in case. And so I had the Versace Yellow Diamond in the glove compartment. This is what I wanted. This is what I want to smell like. I did not like that Jimmy Choo smell. It was a little more mature. And it's giving Coco Chanel Mademoiselle type of mature. So a little bit older than what I want to smell like. I like something bright and fresh, and so I really wanted this one. I went back inside, tried to exchange it, and then she's like, we only have the big size, which was like $100 and something. So I was like, all right, whatever. So I get to the register, and then the girl was like, you know what? I just gotta be honest with you. They sell this at Marshall's for much cheaper than what we're selling it for. And she's all like, I just can't ring you up and not tell you that. So if you don't want to go to Marshall's, I'll continue to ring you up. And I was like, girl, say less, I'm going to Marshall's. Yeah, why would I spend like $50 extra when I can get it for $50 cheaper? So I purchased a perfume and then I returned it in like 30 seconds. So I did only go for like stuff that I needed. Like I said, I only got about like 3 things that I wanted to try that I did not have and did not necessarily need. But that is it for the Sephora haul, girl. How was your day? What'd you do? Let me know down in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed talking to me today and this nice, cool, fun FaceTime vibes. But please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you are not, because I post on Fridays. Let's take Tuesdays out of the equation. I post on Fridays, but if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell, and that way you will get notified every time a video goes up. Make sure to follow me, because if we're talking on the phone like this, you should already be following me, but I'm gonna say it again. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and on my website, l.co.com, because that is where you're gonna get all the exclusive content, the fun stuff, and the giveaways. But thank you, girl, for answering my phone calls. I need to go ahead and get comfortable. I'm gonna talk to you later, girl. Okay, bye, girl. Peace.